Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Astra J key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of the key. Press this button firmly to release the hidden emergency key blade. Once released, carefully pull the metal key blade completely out of the fob. This step is crucial for accessing the internal components and preparing the fob for battery replacement. It's a simple first step. Now that the emergency key is removed, look for a small slot where the key blade was housed. Take a small, flathead screwdriver and carefully insert its tip into this slot. With a gentle but firm motion, twist the screwdriver. This action will carefully pry open the two halves of the key fob. Be sure to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Take your time with this step. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a moment to note its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Carefully remove the old CR 2032 coin cell battery. Now, insert a brand new CR 2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing up, just like the old one. This ensures proper function. To reassemble, carefully align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Next, slide the emergency key blade back into its slot until you hear it click, indicating it's fully seated. Finally, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your car, to ensure everything is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. This confirms your successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.